to my channel. Now we are going to be working on the left-hand elevation of this truncated pyramid. And then this line, this center line, I'm going to make it the actual center line. So I'm going to do that before I go on to draw the, to draw the end elevation. So we select the whole of this line, so including this. Then I will come to the center. I will come to this line here and I will select center. So I'm going to adjust the line width. I will make it 5 and press enter key. So that's it. So for me to be able to see a center line as you see it then. And also in the plan, so this line are supposed to be made thick. This line, they are the edges of the pyramid when we are looking at it downward. So I'm going to match this. Okay. So I will click on match property. Then I will select the source. Okay. Then I will click on these lines. Okay. So I click on this. So this is how it should appear. Okay. So this one. All right, so this is how it should appear as you see it there on the screen. All right, so now let's work on the end elevation of this object. So what we are to do first is that I'm going to draw a line from this point on the front elevation. So I'll put up the auto mode, and this line should be at an angle 45 to the horizontal. So press the tab key on the keyboard and input the angle as 45. So that's it. So then the next thing that we are going to do, we put on the auto mode, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal line from here to touch this line. Okay. Then I will repeat it. So from this line, I will draw to touch this line. Okay. All right. I need to repeat this. All right, so I will take the line again. So right from here to here. All right, so then I'm going to take it. So from here to here. All right, so we have that. Then also I'm going to repeat it and draw a horizontal line from here to here. Okay. Then I will also extend this line that gives us the height of the pyramid, and then I will also repeat the line. I'll repeat the line by drawing horizontal line from this point 4 to this side up. Before I do that, okay, so just let me get the vertical lines. So from this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line to touch this horizontal line, and also I will draw a vertical line from here. This goes up to this point. So, and then I will repeat the line. So draw from here to here. So we have this now, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I want to number this point, this point, this point. This line is for 2 and 3. This is for 1 and 4, and this is for 5 and 6. So let's do the numbering. So I will select single line text. So give it the height of 2, rotation angle 0. So this point here is 2, 3, and this point here, this is 1, 4, while this point here, so this point here is 5, 6. And then this point here, I'll call it O prime. So that's it. So then all right, so we have this now. So next thing I'm going to do is that I will take line, and then I'll connect this point together, okay? And also I'll repeat it, connect this point together like this. All right, so we have this now. So next thing I'm going to do is that, so this is 0.4, this point is 3.5, this point is 2.6, and this point is 1. I'm going to draw a horizontal line from each of the points. So this goes from here to there. So on this line, we have 4 on this line. Then I'll repeat the line. So from here, so we have 3.5. Yeah, okay. Then I'll repeat it. This point we have 2.6, okay, and on this point we have what? We have 1 here, just to drop it on this line. So press the escape key. So I'm going to number each of the points. I'm going to number each of the points. So I will come here and select this again. So give it a height, click on the working surface, give it a height of 2, rotation and 0. So this point here is 0.1. So I will put 1 here. This is 0.1. So here is 0.2. So this point is 0.3. So this point here is 0.4. So this point here is 0.5. Sorry. So this is sorry, is not, that's not 5. That's not 5. This is 0.5 here. So this is 0.5. And this point here, okay, so it's 0.6. So we have this now. So right click, so cancel. Okay. All right, so I'm going to join this point together. So I'm going to join this product together, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 back to 1. So we have that shape in place. Okay, so I'm going to break some lines. So I'm going to break this line. Okay. And then I'll break this one and this one. I'll break this also. All right, so there's a line down here. I'm going to break it. I will still redraw that. Okay. All right, so we have that. So I'm going to, all right, so I will draw the line. So just to join this and this together. Okay. And then I will repeat the line to join this and this together. All right, so we have this now. So then I need to also, I will break this line and this line. I'll break them. So I will rejoin from here to here to show that we transfer this line. So that's what I'm doing. I think I need to break this one also, break this line. Okay, these ones are on their own. Okay, this one I need to break it. Okay, I'll break this one and I will still redraw it. So let me see. So just to redraw this one to show that I transfer the lines. All right, so we have this. So I'm going to hash this surface, and before that, I'm going to make this line thick line. So I will select the source. So select this one, this line. So select this line, and this line. So this line is a thick line. This line is a thick line. This line is a thick line. And this line also is a thick line. So we have that. So other thing that I'm going to do here, okay, there's something I didn't do. So, all right, so this one. That line, I need to make it a thick line. All right, so that's it. So we need to hash this surface now. We need to hash this surface, and to do that, so I will also hash. I will just click on this, select this one, and then, okay, before that, I need to join these lines together. So I'll select these lines. Okay, so I'll type join on the keyboard, press the enter key. So this has become one. So now I'm going to merge this. I'll just click on this and then select this. Okay, that is not working. Okay, so let me go directly to hash. Okay, so I'll select this and come to this point like this. All right, so that is done. So we have hashed that surface. So this is the left-hand elevation as it's being viewed in this direction. So so let's have a video for tree shape and then the surface development. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.